Welcome. Today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find additional settings option. Here choose Against the Shortcuts option, and now choose Launch Google Assistant. Go into this, and here we got to activate this option, so this position light blue is activate, and this light gray is turn off this option. So activate and let's try. Press and hold, and how you can see our Google Assistant is activate. So turn off and let's try again, and we got our power menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.